This video shows how to operate the I/O menu on the ABB General Purpose Drive, ACS580, while the drive is on scalar control and has been stopped. Now let's get started by going to the I/O menu. Here you can see what all the electrical terminals mean to the drive's logic. All terminals have one or more configurable uses or modes. If more than one use is selected for the terminal, the I/O menu will show it on the display. All terminals, however, do not have the same configurability in terms of use and modes. Digital inputs have multiple simultaneous uses. Here we set the purpose for digital input 5 to switch to control location 2, and digital input 6 can be set also to frequency input. However, only one signal can be selected for relays. Depending on the terminal, different signals have been pre-selected for use and range limits. If range unit is changed from volts to milliamperes, the hardware switch needs to be changed to the respective unit as well. The I/O menu shows the actual values of the terminals, which makes diagnosing of the drive easier. The actual values for analog I/Os are also visible, making it easy to verify that the correct signal is taken and given through the device. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.